Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney, and in today's video I'm going to be doing this gold foil smoky eye look using the Urban Decay and Prince collab. These were gifted to me. Thank you so much, Urban Decay. It's such a beautiful collection. I will walk you through the products towards the end of the video, that everything that comes into the collection, but I am going to be using mainly the Let's Go Crazy palette in this tutorial to create this look. So if you like what you see, please continue to watch, like and subscribe, and let's get started. So this is the Let's Go Crazy palette. That's what it looks like. So gorgeous. I'm going in with the color Get Off. This is like a more antique gold. I'm going in with an angle brush. I'm going to start by applying it right to the inner membrane. I'm not sure if this is tested for the area, but that's where I'm putting it. And I'm keeping it closer towards my lashes, not towards my eye, so you don't get the powder in the eye. Same color. I'm going to take a fluffier brush. This one is at an angle. These brushes are from Prado's Beauty. Just going to load that up. And you don't even need a base. It's so pigmented and so metallic. It's, ugh. So just throw that all over the lid. So I'm going to take the same brush, but I'm just wiping it off on like a ripped up t-shirt. And I'm dipping into Shakadelica, which is, it's like a purplish bronze, like a warm purplish bronze. And I'm just applying it to the outer corner, almost like a V. And I'm just using the size of the brush, pretty much. That's the placement, like how big I'm going. Right in the inner corner. Load up a little bit more. Same brush. And just pull that out. And then again, remove any excess and just go around the perimeter of the color. And I pull it out pretty far. You can dip in a little bit more if you need, but I pull it into my temple. That way it really elongates the eye. And you connect the bottom to the top. For my highlight, this is the liquid highlighter from the collection. I say it's a universal color. Comes out like that. It's pretty sheer. It's got a slight frost to it. Like, I'll go over one of my tattoos so just you can see the coverage. It's very, very sheer. I'm going over the foundation and everything that I have on my skin. I didn't do the foundation because I do the same base and everything that I have in my other videos. I just apply it to my fingertips. It's the size of like a half a pea. You'll still have a lot more. You don't need a lot of it. And I just apply it to the highlight, like right above where you would place the blush. And it just gives you a dewiness to the skin. It's got shea butter in it, so it's really emollient. So it just gives that like luscious, wet look all day, but it doesn't make you greasy. Put a little bit underneath the brow. I'm just pressing it so that it doesn't mess up anything that you have underneath it. I don't have, that's just skin under there, but if it touches any of the shadow that gets into the crease, just press it on and it won't disrupt it. The collection also comes with a multitasker brush. It's beautiful. It's pretty firm. It's for the face and body. If you have oilier skin, then you may want to use, you may be able to use this. I can't, just because it packs on too much of the product unless I usually don't want a really matte complexion. But if you do, this is a really great brush. And this is the powder that comes with the collection. Look at that. This is the All-Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder. Just comes in one shade. It's not that transparent because I did try. I just went right in and It was a little dark for me. But I think if you use it with a fluffier brush, then it's not going to deposit as much and it'll be a little bit more transparent. So I'm just going underneath the eyes just to set there. See how it goes a little bit dark immediately? But anywhere that you don't want to have like that shine or dewiness, which I usually find is like right under the eyes, over the concealer, in between the cheeks right here, under here. Like I like to glow more here, and down the center. So I'm not using this palette, but the collection does come with another palette. I'll probably use this in another video. This palette is the You Got the Look palette. It's done so well, and they partnered with Prince Estate to create this collection, but this is another beautiful palette, and it has the most beautiful purples, blues, comes with this really nice like mid-tone transition color, this gorgeous cranberry. Also comes with these two kohl pencils. So you have your black, which is called So Dark, and the white kohl, which is When Doves Cry. Both of these are super pigmented. Like, this is my new favorite black pencil and my new favorite white pencil. So it goes on really intense, really beautiful for underneath shadows or as liner alone. I wore this one the other day and it lasted all day, even in the inner membrane. So there you have it. Just a quick eye tutorial using the Live Loud in Color collection. Comes out May 27th, so after you'll probably be able to get it after you see this video. The collaboration between Prince and Urban Decay, it's gorgeous. I'm so excited. Let me know what you think about this look that I created in the comments down below. Like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.